Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. Today I got a great new product from ISSYAUTO for the Ford Maverick. The new Ford Maverick. ISSYAUTO makes a lot of products. This is actually a product for the cubby holder. It's a phone holder and storage box. Let me go ahead and take everything out of the box and show you what's in it. All right, folks, the first part I'm going to show you, this is made with a strong ABS plastic. This is really heavy duty. It also has magnets in it, and I'll show you why in a minute. But this is actually going to fit in your cubby space next to the radio. It works with the Ford Fit system, so any Fits product should work with this. But they also send you this phone mount, which is compatible with any phone out there. And of course, it's adjustable to any angle. You can have your phone sideways like this if you're using it for maps. I always use what's on the dashboard, and of course, like I said, it should fit any phone. This is actually nice, heavy duty. It's got the carbon fiber feel to it. These are curved, so it should hold your phone really well, especially like mine. I have rubber on the outside, so that should hold it really well. This whole thing will slide into your cubby space. If you don't want to use this, ISSYAUTO has this as well. This is a nugget sauce holder. This does not come with it. I did a video for this previously, but you see there are other Fits products, or any other Fits products should work in this. And finally, if you don't want to use the phone in there or your whatever things in there, it comes with this. This is actually to fill in the space so you can't see what's in there. Say you want to hide something in there. That's it, you're going to really hide your wallet or anything. You might want to hide something in there so the general public can't look in your car and see it. Okay, folks, let me show you how this works. My Maverick, of course, came with this piece. You just take that out. You take the ISSYAUTO box here, slide it right in there. It sits nice and flush with the dashboard. This is in there nice and tight, folks. It's not going to rattle. And of course, you know, like I said, if you're not using the phone or anything and you want to hide something, that sits nice and flush in there. Like I said, it has the kind of like the Maverick logo on it. The phone holder that comes with it slides right in there. They said you can adjust your phone, or if your passenger's using their phone, etc. Or, like I said, other Fit system items will work. This is the ISSYAUTO nugget holder, nugget sauce holder, but it's a nice system. Like I said, you could probably hide whatever you want in there. It's a good use for that spot. Or if you don't want to use the spot, there you go. It hides it. And of course, you can do other things with it, but then it just removes. It's easy as pulling it out like that. Like I said, folks, another nice product from ISSYAUTO. They make a lot of great stuff for the Maverick. Everything fits like it comes from the factory. I think this is a lot more heavy duty than anything you're going to find on Etsy or Temu or whatever else is out there. But link in the description. Right now it's $43.99 on Amazon. I'm sure at some point they'll have some discounts for you. But link in the description. Check this out. Check out my other Ford Maverick videos. Check out all of my other ISSYAUTO videos. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.